I evo ga, Sanel. Sanel, dobrodošao nam u Tandem Eksperte. Što radimo danas?
Danas ćemo prvo letit, pa ćemo skočit i uživat.
Letit, skočit, uživat. Idemo na skok s padobranom. Ajmo vidjeti o čem to svi pričaju, a?
Da.
Može.
There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of luck, and the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck. You're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend to take you out of this place. Someone you could lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. So let it get away on the road, but you've got no destination in the mind. Your love is down. Even if that doesn't ring true, you've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day. So let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful day. So let it get away.
O da, može. Itekako. Ćao!